fifth grade step-by-step and fourth grade, you have the same thing in your packets. I want you to take a scrap piece of paper, and this year I will always have scrap in your drawer number 2, so whoever sits next to there, get out a piece of paper. And I want to see you follow these instructions step by step. Now, are we going to finish it today? No, but this is a step-by-step drawing. So number 1, fold the paper to make the guides, start the head. So see how it's folded into 8 sections? And I want you doing this by yourself. Draw the neckline. If there's the middle of my paper, the next step, I start at the top, and you can use a pencil or a pen. I would suggest pencil today. And then you curve. Now see where that last section? That's where the chin should stop. And then you have the neck. Artists go to step number 3. It says add ear, nose, and mouth. Now as an artist, when you're doing the step-by-step, I want you thinking, what is different? You know, you're a detective, you're using artist eye. What do I see? Oh, there's an ear. What shape is that? It looks like a letter C to me. So I would start with drawing in this section, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth section. I have the ear. Also in this fourth section, I have the curve of the nose. It's just a curved line, kind of looks like part of an S sideways. And one more thing, they've added the lips, and that is in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 section. Okay, so artist, next thing you see is the eye. Plan the eye with 2 dots. What does the eye look like? I always say it looks like parentheses. Okay, next one it says add eyebrow and hair, erase the line. You can make your hair however you want in this section. And then it says draw a name to stick letters. Draw a name in stick letters. And this is something I got off the internet, by the way. This isn't my sheet. So you'll write your name to fit in here, plan it out. I always say start in the middle, work your way out. And then I want you to see, artist, if you can make block letters. All you do is take a block around the letter. And always, artists, go light, till you get it right. Outline the letters, trace, and color. This is just a practice sheet.